time of the year again, and guess what? I am super excited. Yes, you can actually see the excitement on my face because it's the time of the year. Yes, Christmas is in the air. You already know, so we're all catching the Christmas fever already. I am catching it though. In fact, I have caught it. I have caught it. So, for this Christmas to be a very yummy and delicious Christmas, we're going to be making a very sumptuous Nigerian local delicacy. Yes. So, I decided to go local today for this Christmas. It's just one day to Christmas, and I want to show you this beautiful recipe that is peculiar to the people from the South. South. Yes. So, we're going South today for a Christmas recipe. Let me tell you this. This recipe I'm going to be sharing today. Believe you me, if you make this recipe, your guests will be wow. Like, wow. You're going to be blowing their minds. And in fact, they're going to see that you are a real deal, the real chef this Christmas. So, trust me on this one. How are we going on about this? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to cook a local delicacy. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to cook a local delicacy. It's time to, yes, it's time for the reveal, the big reveal. What are we making this Christmas? What are we making this Christmas? What special delicacy? You can guess, but let's open this. It's time to reveal this. Ta-da! Oh my god, guys. So, our special delicacy for this Christmas is Afang soup. Yeah! Are you all excited? So, we're making Afang soup. Oh, we're going to Akwa Ibom, Cross River. Yes, this time around for our Christmas, our 30 December. Alright, let's get started. These are the ingredients that will be used for this soup. Some have been pre-cooked, especially the proteins, they have been pre-cooked. The afang leaf has been pounded, yes, with some crayfish. So here we have a periwinkle, is a kind of sea snail, yes, a little version of it. We have our palm oil, our water leaf, then we have the afang leaf. It has been blended with crayfish. We have our scotch bonnet pepper, some dried catfish, our stockfish, and then our meat. The stockfish and the meat has been pre-cooked, so we're not going to be cooking this for a very long time. Now we put all the protein inside the pot. Add some scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, you know, we Nigerians, most of us cannot eat without our food being spicy. So not so much spicy, a little. Now we season with some seasoning cubes, then salt. We cover and allow to cook. Yes, you know the catfish hasn't really been cooked, but it's not going to take long. It's not going to take long. Allow to cook. At some point you have to stir this, yes, to mix it up. Then you go in with your palm oil. Please ensure you use a very good palm oil. There are some palm oils that would spoil your food for you. I mean it. The smell alone is so bad that it will change the taste of your food. Now go in with some crayfish. Please be generous with your crayfish. Be very, very generous with it. Stir this together, cover, and allow to cook. Let's go check on our protein again. Okay, at this point our protein is ready, and we're going in with our water leaf. Now remember that water leaf is mainly 90 to 95% of water. Yes, it has a lot of water content, so don't even bother adding too much water to this soup, because the water leaf itself is going to release its own water. Yes, so do not make that mistake of adding too much water to the soup. Now
And we're not cooking this leaf for a very long time because we still want our leaves to be green. We still want them a little crunchy, you get, and we want to eat food that is packed with what? Lots of nutrient. You wouldn't want to be eating chaff. So now at this point, you're stirring this, yes, mixing it up, and then oh my god, sorry, there are lots of obstacles here. When I mean obstacles, that protein, oh my god, lots of protein in here. So you cover this, allow it to cook for just a few seconds, and then you go in with crayfish. I tasted this and I felt, oh, it needed more crayfish. Be generous with your crayfish, generous with it. See, Nigerian soups, you know how we do it here now. It needs lots of crayfish, and less of all this seasoning. You get. Stir this together, cover. The next time we'll be opening this pot, we'll be going in with our afang leaf. See this afang leaf here? It has been blended with what? Some crayfish. So I'm just having crayfish. Oh my god. The soup is already given. See, this Christmas is going to be hot. Prepare this now for your guests and listen to their comments. Listen to their remarks. You want to try me? Let's not talk so much. After going in with your afang, you stir it, cover it, allow it to cook. You leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then you turn off the heat. Your afang soup is ready. Pair it with any swallow of your choice, yes. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to hit the like button, share, leave nice comments, and ask questions that you need to. Please, this Christmas, let's make it a joyous, a happy, and a lovable Christmas. The soup is already given. Oh my god, I can't wait to have a taste of this. Oh, so tasty, so yummy, so delicious. Alright guys, we've come to the end of our video. Yes, and I believe you got all this right. Until our next video, stay safe and out of trouble. Merry Christmas!